frame tonight. So let's go ahead and jump in on 2018 Panini Gold Standard Football and knock this one out, guys. Again, Museum Baseball is up next. Alright, guys, good luck. Sammy Watkins, 30 of 99 for the Chiefs. I didn't even know he was on the Chiefs. Sammy Watkins for the Chiefs. 17 of 49 for the Jets, Josh McCown. A mother load, Dalvin Cook, 98 of 99. 3 purple patches, 1 black patch, and a football for the Minnesota Vikings. I thought that was Lamar. Jaleel Scott, 150 of 199. Rookie jersey patch for the Baltimore Ravens. Then behind this, we have a Platinum Golden Rookie Auto, 37 of 49 for the Arizona Cardinals, Chase Edmonds. Chase Edmonds. And for the Broncos, Rookie Jumbo Patch Auto, 20 of 99, Royce Freeman. And Doug Baldwin, Golden Gear, 24 of 49, Giant 3-color patch for the Seattle Seahawks. Thought that thick one was an autograph, but it was a jumbo patch. Alright, we have Chase Edmonds again, this time 92 and 99, just a rookie card of him for the Arizona Cardinals. Chase Edmonds. For the Ravens, 27 of 49, rookie platinum parallel of Mark Andrews, Baltimore Ravens. A white gold jersey patch, 81 of 125 for the Steelers, Antonio Brown. That looks like another white gold patch. Yep. Ezekiel Elliott, 123 of 125 for the Dallas Cowboys. White gold patch as well. And this looks like a jersey as well. Yes, it is. 40 of 49. Gold Rush for the Dallas Cowboys. Tony Dorsett. Jersey patch. Golden Rookie autograph of Lorenzo Carter for the New York Giants. That is numbered 51 of 149. Then DJ? Yep. Triple patch RPA of DJ Moore, 15 of 75, Carolina Panthers. Been hitting him tonight, man. 15 of 75, number 1 receiver. Oakland Raiders, Marshawn Lynch, 76 of 99. And a pink rookie for the Raiders of Arden Key, 13 of 25. Then double jerseys, 73 of 199, Cortland Sutton, Bradley Chubb, rookies for the Denver Broncos, newly minted. And a 2-color patch of Howie Long, 39 of 49, Gridiron Gold, 2-color patch for the Oakland Raiders. A Gold Strike autograph, 2 of 25, platinum parallel of Justin Turner for the Baltimore Ravens. There's a Brown. Patch auto, good as gold, Jabril Peppers, numbered 116 of 125, Cleveland. And last is Kyle Lauletta, triple RPA, rookie patch auto, 53 of 75 for the Giants. Kyle Lauletta, triple patch auto. G-Man. The next Eli Manning. Maybe. Number 12 of 99, one away from the number. Marquise Lee for the Jacksonville Jaguars. And a 23 of 49 platinum Cam Newton for the Carolina Panthers. Kalen Ballage, 123 of 199 for the Miami Dolphins, rookie jersey patch. A sick Earl Campbell, 3-color patch. Houston Oilers goes to the Tennessee Titans, of course. 10 of 49. Gridiron gold. Gridiron gold. And a nice gold jacket signature auto, 18 of 99. Dick LeBeau for the Detroit Lions. Trying to see if that looks like a hit. Okay. I think we should go this way. Dick LeBeau, 18 of 99, Detroit Lions. And a gold strike autograph, 20 of 49 for the Oakland Raiders. Platinum parallel of DeAndre Washington. Is it this way? I think it's this way. Gold ink, 12 of 25. Triple patch, Christian Kirk. I thought we got Rosen. 3-color, 2-color, 3-color. Christian Kirk, 12 of 25. One off his number. Arizona getting the gold ink tonight. So it looks like 3 in that case. I think there's 3 total in that case, gold ink.